Hello.
Hello.
We've come to Norfolk today, haven't we?
We have.
Several places we're going to go to, and flip the thing. This is where we are. Can you see it on there? Yes.
Yes, you can just about see it on there. We have come to Caister on Sea, to take a picture of these sea defences. And the best bit is...
First time for me.
Yeah, the best bit is Gemma is talking about shooting in black and white, which if I recall, you said was old fuddy-duddy, colour, give me colour. Isn't that what you said in our last video?
It was referring to what we were doing at the time, and we were actually...
No, I thought you were talking about. I thought you were talking about all black and white photos.
No.
I think you were.
No,
I think you were.
We were at sunset, and then we're approaching blue hour, and I do love blue hour. So I couldn't imagine why you'd want to shoot in black and white when we had those gorgeous colours.
Okay.
Today we're in the late afternoon.
You're doing your best to dig yourself out of a hole.
No, we're late afternoon today, so it's perfect for black and white.
Yeah.
We did have lovely stormy clouds, but they've cleared.
Yes, we're
So
going
there,
to. We're going to go to. Where are we going next?
We're going to the River Thurne.
Yes, the River Thurne on the Norfolk Broads.
Yes, we are.
For windmills, sunset and windmills.
We've got to find the location we wanted on this one, so we'll be there quite a while, I think.
We will. Yeah.
Yeah.
So we're just finishing up here.
Especially if we see that buzzard on that long road. I like.
Oh yeah, yes. So we're gonna finish up here, and then we're going to go to the River Thurne.
We are,
windmill hunting. So this is the shot I'm going for. I'm probably going to shoot this in portrait mode. The tide is going out, which is not ideal for this shot, as I'm trying to get the sea and the waves washing over the sea defences here, and shoot on a long exposure. Again, play about with the shutter speed to get hopefully the sea coming in, but then falling away back out to sea, so you get the lovely streaks on the beach. So I'm shooting on a tripod with a remote cable release with my 16 to 35mm f4 lens. Everything manual, ISO 64, f14 to 16 I think, and just play about with the waves as they come in over the metal structure. See what we get. So, as I mentioned earlier, we are slightly too late for this tide, but we'll make the best of it, as we always do. Oh.
Got it, I think.
She got it, she thinks. Did you get it? Did you get it?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yes, she's saying oh yes, that's good. So we've come down to our second and last destination of the day, Thurne Mill. We've got the lighthouse in the distance, what am I talking about, windmill in the distance with the cottage. Gemma is... Wind pump, yes, you're right. That's actually Thurne Mill itself. But the subject of our image tonight, luckily, has got the best cloud, which is that over there, which is starting to colour up again. So I am going to take another image. I'm shooting with a lens I've never shot with before. It's my Nikon D850 AF. It's the old metal lens. What?
The lens I rarely use.
I was just telling everyone about my lens. I'll be back to you in a second. This is an old push-pull 70 to 210mm lens. I keep it in my bag because it's light, rather than carrying around the 70 to 200 2.8. It's really sharp. Been wanting to use it for ages, and I'm using it tonight. Gemma, what are you shooting with, Gem?
A Tamron.
You'll have to shout, darling.
A Tamron.
She doesn't know. Yeah.
24 to 75. The reason I don't know that much about it is because I stole it from your bag.
That's a 28 to 75 then. Did you? Yes, well, the pros and cons of using the same camera system. This is my composition, as you can probably see. Ignore the low battery light in the bottom left hand corner. F14, ISO 64, 1/13 of a second. I did shoot with a 10 stop filter on the front a little while ago to smooth out the water in the foreground, although it's not much of the image, but I didn't like what it done to the clouds. Blurred the clouds too much. I prefer a bit more definition in the clouds, so that's what we're shooting with, and that's where we are. Thurne Mill on the River Thurne in Norfolk, and a lovely evening.
I don't know if I've done enough vlogging, I can't say it, enough vlogging from here, but we had to get the light while we could.
Yeah.
Because it's gone now.
Yep.
So, well, this is...
It was a nice place.
It's lovely.
Nice features.
I
Very
definitely
calming.
want to come back. When we got here, it was beautiful with all the boats and stuff.
Yeah.
So I don't know if there's any other places on the Norfolk Broads.
Oh, there's tons. Yeah, there's loads of windmills and wind pumps and things. We'll have to have a little look on the old map.
You might see a vlog from a boat.
Yes, we want to get one of these boat holiday cruises.
We want to get a boat.
Cruise things.
We want to get a boat and be in the water.
Gemma's taking the mickey now. I'm just looking behind because there's a storm cloud coming in.
We don't want to get wet. No.
So we hope you've enjoyed this. 2 locations.
Yep. We're quite close to each other.
Yeah, they were. Yeah, half an hour away.
Yeah, quite close to each other.
On the Norfolk coast and the Norfolk Broads. Bit of landscape we've been doing lately.
Yeah.
This is us saying goodbye. If you liked, please tell us that you did. Give us a thumbs up. If you didn't, we're sorry, but we do our best. We hope we keep it entertaining.
Yes. Oh, subscribe if you want to subscribe.
Subscribe as well, yeah, would help us push towards the 1,000. We're slowly getting there, ever so slowly. So this is us saying...
Very slowly.
This is us saying goodbye from Norfolk. See you later.
Bye.
Are you waiting for a big one? Gemma's waiting for a big one. Wave, wave. wave, a big wave.
Well, they say it's lovely to photograph with your partner and you can go to all these nice places, but when you have to constantly wait for somebody who has to take his pictures first, and then when I try and take another angle, my shadow is affecting his shots. It's not that fun,